What's up, YouTube? It's a Sweet Tooth. You know where I'm at. The table. Nataretta put up or set up a New Year's Eve collaboration with the Midnight Milky Ways. I was having a hell of a time finding them. I did find a UK Mars bar, and I bought that, and then I ended up finding four of the Midnight Milky Ways too. So what I did with mine, since this is a creativity challenge, is I made the ultimate midnight snacks. So y'all love pizza at midnight, duh. Burger, taco, hot dog, everything you love when it's late night. And then dessert. You gotta have a single standalone candy bar. Twist I'm gonna put on this is I'm gonna blindfold myself. So this is my 2013 Midnight Madness Kabobble. Here we go. I'm going to bring the midnight to the daytime, since obviously I'm filming during the day. So, lights out, Happy New Year, Midnight Madness, y'all. Pizza with candy bar, it's delicious. Candy bar inside a burger. Late night treat, so 2013 better be good. This is a no fluid challenge. I'm working with it. Alright. Doritos Loco Taco Midnight. This should be disgusting. And I wasn't wrong. I'm never eating Milky Way again. This will be the third time I've done 5 Milky Way bars. And I have to say this is probably the tastiest. The way that I've done it so far. The hot dog, I saved the worst for last. It's a Milky Way bar with the works. Oh my God, that was terrible. I should have held the mustard. Oh, that was gross. The hot dog was gross. Everything else was pretty good. Oh look, Mars isn't even dark chocolate. Son of a bitch. Oh well. Anyway, happy 2013 everybody. Thanks for putting this together. Can't wait to see everybody's stuff. Sweet Tooth out. You work.